Guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good day. How are you? Good night. How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Are you okay so far? Thank God for another day. God has been good to us. Okay, guys. What is happening so far? Tell me what is happening in your place, your country. Where are you today? Where are you today? Tell me where are you today? Let me know where you are. Okay, guys, you're at work, whatever place, church, wherever you are, guys, please be careful and always remember to pray. So today now, I'm going to do some more cooking. Guys, you can make a comment. Tell me, what can I cook? I'm trying to be creative, but I still need some more help. Just tell me what can I cook. Okay, guys? What can I put together and cook? What do you want me to cook? Okay, guys? Anyway, today I'm going to show you what I'm going to cook now. I'm going to cook some saltfish here. This is my saltfish. I put it in water to soak from overnight. And I'm going to put some coconut milk in it. So saltfish with coconut milk. And I'm going to put some corn in it also. And there's my season, my onion, my tomato, my scallion, and my onion. Okay, guys. And I'm going to cook dumpling, cornmeal dumpling, and banana. Okay, guys. And I'm going to put either put some curry in it or something. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in my rundown. I call it rundown, but I'm not sure what I'm going to put it as yet. But I have my curry here, so watch as I go. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Okay, guys, so let me get these out of the way. So it's dumpling and banana and corn in saltfish and tomato in my rundown. So here's my coconut now, guys, already been washed. Okay, guys, there it is, already been washed. Let me wash my hands again. So I'm going to put it in there. You don't have to, and please don't make it with a lot of water, guys. I'm not sure what I'm going to put in my rundown, if I'm going to put some curry in it or what, I'm not really sure. So watch as I go, guys. I'm going to blend the coconut now. There I go again. Okay, and in the meantime, I'm going to put my saltfish in my pot. So it's saltfish in coconut milk with my corn, and maybe I put some curry in it. So watch as I go, guys. My coconut milk is all ready. And if you have time, you can grate your coconut. You don't have to use a blender. Not much water, guys. Not much water. And guys, be careful of this. It will cut. Guys, use your warm water. When you use your warm water, you get more juice. Okay? If you're not ready to wash, you put it in there, cover it, put it away until you're ready for wash. Right, guys? You see there? Look at it, guys. So this is my coconut milk. I'm going to put it in the pot. Okay, okay? Let it boil. Yes, guys. So my milk is all ready. My pot is ready also. So I'm going to put it in. You see? You see, guys? That's it, guys. That's my coconut milk. And this is my saltfish now. It's on its way start boiling. Okay? So I was saying I was going to use curry in it, but I changed my mind. I'm going to use turmeric powder in my coconut milk with my saltfish and my corn plus my season. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So it's there now ready to boil, and this is ready. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So, guys, my coconut milk is boiling, so I'm going to put my corn in. Because the water is boiling, I don't want to put my hand too near. So there you go, guys. These are my corn. And see? So it's coconut corn run down with saltfish and turmeric. So my saltfish is almost ready and this is boiling up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put on my pot to cook my 5 fingers of banana and my dumplings. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. So I'm going to put my other pot on. Okay, guys? Take this one off and put on a bigger pot. So my pot is all ready. Turn up my fire like that. Let's see, guys, my pot, my water. Cover my pot. I need a little bit more water. A little bit more. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to make a comment. Okay? Tell me something that I can cook, right? And then I have my big spoon here. Remember, guys, remember to always wash your dishes, always wash your pots. Sometimes there are some little termites, some little insect, some little flies, all manner of things flying around. So remember, guys, to wash all your utensils. Even if you wash them and put them away, remember to wash them over. Okay, guys? You can see it? Not much corn. Small family, so this is okay for us, all right? So watch as I go. So I'm going to make my dumplings. I'm gonna need my flour to make my dumplings. Okay, guys, I'm going to wash my hands. Let me get my salt. This is my salt, guys. Just a little bit of salt. See, guys, cornmeal and flour and some bananas. Okay. I like my food. I don't like the rice. So I try to always have banana or something or a piece of yam. So watch as I go, guys. This is how I make my dumpling and my flour. And remember to keep your hands clean, your pots clean, your counter clean. I don't cook in a dirty kitchen. If the kitchen is dirty, I'm not going to cook. I have to clean my kitchen first. Okay, guys, so remember to clean your area. It doesn't matter where, clean your area. And guys, I'm going to put back my saltfish in that pot because to make it more nicer with the banana, I'm going to put it back in it. So watch as I go, guys. I'm going to let my flour stay there and set. Okay, guys? Stay there and set. I'm going to wash my hands. See my saltfish there? So it's boiling up. And always turn your stuff here. Always turn it up, guys. Yes, guys, as you can see, my coconut milk is still boiling. You can see, guys, still boiling. Soon be there. And here now is my saltfish. I'm going to take it out and put it in some cold water. Pretty saltfish, you can see, guys. I'm going to put it in some water. And I'm going to make my dumplings. Let me wash my hands. See, guys. So my pot is ready. I'm going to put a little bit more water in it. Just a little bit. It's not salt, guys. My pot is not salt. See? It's not salt. Just watch as I go, guys. And remember, God is good. All the time, God is good. And we must give him thanks. No matter what is happening in our lives, we still have to give God thanks. Okay? Just watch as I go, guys. And thanks everyone. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, for viewing my channel, for watching my channel. Thank you very much. No, more blessing again. Okay, guys? And for those who don't yet subscribe, please, I'm asking you, can you subscribe to my channel? That my channel can grow. Right, guys? I just started, so please, can you subscribe? And thanks a lot for viewing my channel. Okay, thank you very much. Big up to all those who view and big up to all who subscribe. Okay, tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to my channel. That Henry Family TV is on, doing some nice cooking. Okay, guys. Next time I'm going to make some beetroot dumplings. So you can just watch out for that video. Beetroot dumplings. Yesterday I made beetroot chicken. I'm going to make beetroot dumpling another day. Okay, guys? See my pot there boiling? And it doesn't need any salt. It's quite okay because I put the saltfish in it. So it's quite okay, guys. And remember to cut back on your salt. Cut back on your sugar. See my dumpling there? Check out all my videos, guys. Check out all my videos. Yeah, nice videos. Making juices. I have some nice juices out there making. Nice soups I made. Check out the videos, guys. You can see? Just put this in one. And if you want to make it long like this, no problem. If you want to make it round like those, no problem. See my pot there? Okay. I'm going to peel some bananas now. And guys, you put your food anytime you want. You put dumpling first, banana first, any one of them you want to put. Depends on the whatever. If the bananas are very hard, you put them in first. If they are very soft, you put them on top. Okay, guys? So watch as I go. And if you don't want your hand to be stained, you can put a little coconut oil. Rub your hand with some coconut oil, or you can put it in the water. You can peel it in your water if you don't want your hand to be stained. Or you can put on a gloves or put on a plastic bag on your hands. Okay, guys? Just watch as I go. And it doesn't matter how you peel the banana as long as it is peeled, okay? As long as your banana is peeled, no matter how you peel it. Look at this, guys. These bananas are very hard. Doesn't matter. The skin are so thin. You can see? And if you keep the bananas when they are that full too long, they're ripe. Doesn't matter how you peel a banana as long as how they are peeled. Some people is like they're specific in whatever how form you or way you peel a banana, but it doesn't matter how you peel a banana. You can see my pot there, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. No more. Okay. Let me turn my pot now. You can see, guys. I think I have a plantain here. Guys, I found a plantain. I'm going to put the plantain there. And if you want to peel your plantain, no problem. If you want to put it in the pot like this, no problem. You can see, guys, I'm going to wash. See? This is okay. Not much food. You can see this while. And I'm going to get my saltfish all ready to put in. Okay? I'm not going to put any salt in this until after I put my saltfish in because I don't want it to be too salty. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. See it? You get to see it? It's boiling. Yes, guys. See it's boiling down. You can see it? And this is my saltfish. Get in there. So I'm going to clean my saltfish now. So my saltfish pretty? There, guys. And if it's still salt, guys, you can just put it to boil, reboil again. Some people like the salt. I don't like it. It's not good. Look at my saltfish, guys. So it's pretty beautiful. So I'm going to gauge my fire now because it's boiling down. Okay, guys. So there is my saltfish, guys. Can you see? There's my saltfish. This is boiling. So I'm going to cut my seasoning now for you to see. See, guys. This is a little of the coconut juice. Okay. Onion is so big, guys. And my tomato here, guys. I'm not sure I'm going to put any tomato as yet. So I'm going to wash these now. And guys, anything you want to put in your pot, you can put in it. Anything at all. Any veggie you want to put in it. Sometimes when I cook it like this, I put like cucumber in it or carrot. So anything you want to put in your pot, you can. All right, guys. So I'm going to put my saltfish in now because it's almost there. You can see, guys. You can see, guys. If you want to put anything, carrot, anything you want to put, beetroot, anything you want to put. Okay, guys. So I'm going to put my turmeric in now. So you can use curry, anything at all you want. Just put a little. This is very strong. You can see, guys. If you want to put a little bit more, you can. But it's very strong. It's turmeric next to ginger. You can see, guys. You can see. Guys. So I'm going to put my seasoning in now. Guys, I don't have any pepper. I have to get a pepper. Engage my fire a bit. Fire is too strong on it. Guys, this is my seasoning. I'll put the onion, the tomato in after because I don't want the tomato to boil out. So I'm going to put some cloves in it. This is my cloves, guys. I'm going to put some in it. So these are my cloves. Okay, guys. And remember, guys, I have my rosemary water here. rosemary and thyme. Okay, guys, so I just put it in it. Turn up my fire. And guys, don't let it boil out too much. You can see it, guys? It's not salty. So if you want to put it, when you put in, you can put your thyme leaves in it and your hot pepper, but I don't have any hot peppers. So I put my thyme water in it. Okay, guys, you can see it all ready to eat. So I'm going to put my tomato in now. Because the tomatoes are so big. It's all washed already, guys. You can see? Give it a nice color. You see, guys? This is my saltfish rundown or coconut milk in turmeric. Okay, guys, with corn. So this is mine. You see, guys? Beautiful. And I'm going to taste it now. Let you see. Just a small spoon to taste. Okay. And if you need anything else, you can put it in it. Okay, good. Black pepper, I don't need any black pepper or any other seasoning salt. I'm going to put a little bit seasoning salt in. I'm going to taste it first, okay? Yeah, it's all good. I'm going to put a little seasoning salt in it. Also, my ginger. But whenever you use saltfish in anything, you don't need much seasoning. Oh, this is the salt, no salt. Ginger. Okay, guys, ginger is a must. Can see it, guys? And then a little Maggi or all-purpose seasoning. Don't make your food too salty, please. If you want to put more turmeric in it, fine. You see, guys? And you want to put a Scotch bonnet or any kind of pepper, fine. My season having pepper already, spicy already. So that's okay. And I don't have a whole lot of pepper to put in it. So that's okay, guys. Look at my pot. Finished product. Okay, guys. Remember, it's turmeric, rundown, saltfish. All right, with corn. Okay, guys. So let it stay there and simmer. And my pot over here now with my food is coming up, guys. Let me get my fork. You can see, guys. You can see, guys. And the bananas are very hard. So this will take a while to cook, okay? And guys, you can put this with your veggies, whatever. Veggie, if you want to cut up anything at all in it, fine, no problem. Right, guys? Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Remember to subscribe. Yes, guys, this is my finished product now. Okay, guys, so this is my rundown saltfish, turmeric with corn. Okay, guys, you can try it at home. And if you want to put any veggies in it, fine. It works with veggies. You can just cut your carrot or whatever and put it in your rundown. Okay, guys? And this is my finished food. Okay? Dumpling, banana, and plantain. Okay? So you can try this at home. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being so good to me by viewing my channels, for subscribing, and please make a comment. Say something about my videos. Okay, guys, and more videos will be coming up. Just tune in. Just stay in tune for my videos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Okay, bye. Take care. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Are you okay? Thank God for life. Did you tell the Lord thanks for today? I hope so. I did. Well, thank you for viewing my channel. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for all what you have said and done to my channel. Okay, so this evening now, or this morning, or this afternoon, or whatever time is it in your place, I'm going to show you how I do wash my dishes. Okay, guys, so watch as I do my dishes. Okay, guys, can you see the sink? Okay, and here's my bleach, and here's my soap liquid. Okay, guys, so watch as I go. So this is my bleach, guys. Keep a little bleach. If you don't have bleach, you use lemon or lime or whatever you have. And this is my soap liquid. I love to use this brand, but whatever soap liquid you have to wash dishes, use it and wash your dishes, guys. Okay, guys. So watch as I go. I clean my sink first. And guys, this is my basin that I wash my dishes and put in. And after they are dried, I put them over in my plate drainer here. So guys, it doesn't matter what you have, just wash your dishes. Okay, guys? Especially at night. And wash your knives first. Don't put your knives in your plates because they will cut you. So what I did, I wash them first, or I wash them last and put them away. Okay, guys? And guys, remember to keep your area clean. Guys, I love a lot of soap. I don't know why, but I love a lot of soap. Remember, guys, to subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, make a comment, share, and like also. And I'm going to show you how I clean my kitchen also. And guys, this plastic, they can contain a lot of grease, as we all know. So please, we have to wash it very careful. Check on them. Sometimes the inside is clean, outside is not clean. Because the grease on the plastics, any type of plastic, grease hold on onto them very fast. And guys, remember to dry your counter or your table, wherever you store your stuff, please dry it. Because the water can damage. And this guy, this is for my forks and my knives and my all my utensils. Guys, wash your pots at night. There is water on the floor. There's water on the floor, guys. Water spill. I have to wipe it up. And the water spill on the floor, guys, wipe can be very slippery. Okay, guys, right back. These are clean already, guys. Just rinsing them back over. And this is to put my stuff. As I say, it can be extended in and out. Okay. So I just put it like this. Water is hot. So I put them to drain. Okay, guys. And guys, at night you pack away your stuff. Pack away your stuff, guys. So I'm going to put away my spoons. Let's see, guys. Right, you can see much better now. Let me do my pots. Guys, my sink is all clean. Now I'm going to cover your plate, guys. I'm going to cover my plates. Okay, guys. Let me show you my table over here. Okay, that's my table. Let me wipe it. This is my stove. It's my stove, guys. All clean. You see, it's all clean, guys. You wipe your stove like this. Okay, guys. That's it. Cleaning my kitchen. I hope you're enjoying cleaning my kitchen, guys. You see? Welcome back, guys. Thanks for watching. And guys, I'm going to wipe. This is what I use to wipe my floor. Sometimes I put disinfectant on it, and sometimes I just wet it. Okay, guys. So this is, I show you. Oh, I wipe my floor, guys. I'm behind the camera. I'm almost there. So when I wipe with this now, it picks up the dirt. Dirt is there, it picks it up. And as soon as it get dirty, I change it to another one. Okay, it's easy. You can see me wiping. Yes, guys, this is how I clean my place, my kitchen. Always clean your, especially your kitchen. You clean everywhere, guys, but especially your kitchen and bathroom, especially those two places. You can see, guys. So when it's too wet, I change it. You see, it's okay. And my kitchen is all clean. All clean now, guys. You see, it's all clean. So it's night now for me at home. So what I do, I always try to clean up the place at night, because sometimes you leave it dirty, all sort of insect and flies take over. So I learned to keep my kitchen clean at night, and I hope you are doing the same thing also. Okay, guys, sometimes you may be tired, or take time out to clean your kitchen. Okay, guys, love you guys. Love you guys. Remember that I love you. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Thank you for all what you have been doing. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for making a comment. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for doing everything. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. Tune in again for another video coming up. Okay, guys? It's just about laundry, cooking, cleaning, folding of my clothes, and any little thing around the house. Is just about that. Or any adventure outside, I'll let you know. But guys, love you. Take care. Thumbs up. Just give me a thumbs up, guys. Love you guys. Take care.